it out. Certain things may be true for only certain people, but then we blow it up and tell it in such a way that for the entire world, that is what is true.
Yeah. So, for example, all auto drivers in Bangalore are bad. Yeah. Or all services of Uber taxi are really bad.
And Karthik, I know you have never ever loved me in my entire life.
This is what women do, generalize, right? Sorry, just kidding.
And yeah, these both these statements had generalizations, right? You never ever loved me in my entire life. That was one exaggerated generalization. And then Karthik filling the gap that all women generalize. All women, including each and every woman of the world. Yeah?
Similarly, I mean, with Indians, we can always say Indians are always late. Or never ever on time.
Let us tell something nice about Indians, Karthik. All Indians are
Good.
all Indians are good. Okay, fine.
Beautiful.
Yeah.